Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to show you the default apps that you guys get on your phone once it's all set up. So these are the apps right here. Inside this folder we're going to see voice memos, compass, measure, and calculator. And then that's it. Right here we're going to see all of them just organized into folders. However, these are all the apps that you would get inside your brand new iPhone 12 Pro. Doesn't really matter how many gigs that iPhone is. It could be a 128 gig, 256 gig, or 512 gig. They all get the exact same apps. So once again, here they are. We also have widgets, which are not apps. These are just widgets on the side of our phone. So don't get these confused with actual apps. Any other apps that you would want to download, such as social media, you go into your app store and download it from there. Most of social media is completely free, so don't worry about that. I know there are a lot of people from the Android side which are saying that apps from the App Store are all paid for, and that's false. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff, Snapchat is completely free. Anyways, here are the apps again. Numbers, for example, would be like Excel. Pages would be like Microsoft Word. And we also have Keynote, which would be like PowerPoint. Not that you guys can't install that on the iPhones, we can. However, these come pre-installed. Garageband would be to make music or create music, edit as well. And iMovie would be to edit videos. Files up here is just to organize all our files, which does include any iCloud files. And here we have some of the basics. Anyways, once again, no matter which iPhone you guys have, these are the basics that you're gonna get. That's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.